This here's Clint.
This is Jim Bob.
And we're the Whiskey Drinkers.
That's right.
And what are we doing here? Well, we got this box in the mail. Now, we don't know too much about the box.
You don't know nothing about the box, really.
I mean, we know who it came from, but that's it. It's big. It's got some weight to it.
Could be anything.
We have no idea what's inside.
Now, who sent us this box?
We got this from Brotec. They hit us up on the email and are like, hey guys, I know it's been a while, but we came out with a new product and we want you guys to review it. So, we got it. We're going to review it.
Let me just show them real quick.
Show them real quick.
Brotec has the shot glasses, the different kinds of glasses. We got different ones displayed here. And inside of here, each one comes with the patented, I don't think they're patented, but
Yeah, they should be.
The stones made out of granite, marble, something like that.
Yeah.
That go into cups.
Very, very, very
high class.
High class.
You know, you drink your scotch in there as a man.
I couldn't think of a word, but high class works.
Yeah.
All right, well, without further ado, let's get this box in. We're going to use trust the K-bar here.
And whatever you send us, thank you. Unless it's something like a dead raccoon or something, then that's kind of rude. But he's a good guy.
Be interesting.
He's not going to say it. Oh, man, I'm excited.
I'm nervous, because I have no idea what it is. I went on their site, too, and looked, and I didn't see anything
oh man,
that was new, so this might be exclusively new.
We'll pop those later. Whoa, look at that.
Jesus, this is heavy.
What do we got in here? Oh, that's...
Bring out the keyboard again.
Oh man.
Box inside of a box. We'll use that other box. We'll have to send something somewhere, I'm sure.
Oh yeah. We reuse all this stuff.
Yeah.
What is in here? Oh yeah, and I haven't been around. I apologize, everybody. I've been really into bungee cord jumping lately. Got a couple friends jumping off of bridges and stuff illegally, but we're being safe about it.
Safety first.
Yep. When I was a kid, we used to do it with ropes, and my one friend Jimmy broke his spine, so we quit doing that. So don't do that out there. Be safe.
All right, here we go. What's in there? I'm trying to think of the best way to do this. Let's do it like this. Flip it upside down. Oh, flip it upside down.
I got
flip it up. Oh, you can just pull it out.
Oh, look at
this. That's a big box.
Holy crap. Wow, this is like...
Oops.
This is a creme de la creme right here.
Are we upside? I think we're upside down. There we go.
Wow, look at that thing.
You want to slide her out? Slide her out.
Let's just be... Oh, it's got plastic on the outside too. This is well packaged.
That's a big in there.
Well put together. Look, there's plastic on the...
That's a plus size.
Keep it nice.
That's a plus size right there.
That's the biggest box I've ever seen.
It's got their patented lock on it.
Yes, it does.
Same lock.
Now these are, don't know if they're cedar. I don't know what they are. But the point is, they're nice little boxes to keep your stuff in. We always, we wash our glasses, put them back in here, keep them nice.
That way they don't break either.
Exactly.
He's always stumbling around.
And these are fine china, so you can't have them messed up. Because we robbed a pirate ship.
I'm out of breath.
All right.
That's a testament to good packaging right there.
Oh, we gonna show them first?
Well, might as well.
Now hold on, real quick. Very nice box. Same type of deal. This one they went with a lighter finish on it, as you can see here.
Yeah, it's actually lighter than the others.
Yeah. I mean, this is hot off the presses, I think. We might be the only ones to have this.
It even smells like wood.
Yes, it does. It is wood.
Let's.
All right, yeah, we'll show them. Well, be careful because nothing falls.
Oh yeah, good idea. What do you think of these?
I don't know.
I don't either. All right.
Like a blender?
Oh, jeez. Wow.
Wow.
Jeez, man.
All right, first off,
look at that. Jesus. No wonder it weighs so
wow,
much.
it's a little whiskey container.
It is.
Put your whiskey in.
Wow. Look how heavy that thing is.
Wow, that's really nice right there. Stuff's thick.
Oh my, Jim. One of these ones we can't slap down like we do the other ones.
No,
Some nice coasters.
Wow, what are they made out of?
Coal, I think. No, I have no idea what they're made out of. They're nice.
Like a, what do you call that? Like
slate?
Slate. Like,
slate, maybe?
Wow, and the edges are all done real nice. Looks like you just pulled this. It does look like coal. Like
I can't get over this thing. Yeah, it's nice. It's heavy. Man. Definitely don't want your old lady to get a hold of
Okay,
this.
here, put the top on. All right, be easy with that. Oh man,
Got the top for it.
look at that top too. It's all what's that word you say?
Ergonomics.
The ergonomics of it was thought out.
Jesus.
All right, so that right there,
That's sweet.
that's what you're paying for. But you also get 2 cups. These are the swirl ones.
Yeah.
These are actually Clint's favorite ones.
These are my favorites.
I'm just trying to be real easy because
Yeah,
I
me too.
break all kinds of stuff.
Nice matching set we got there.
Right.
Oh, my wallet hurt my butt.
Matches my
Oh, it does match.
knife handle.
It does.
Pretty
Look
nice.
Yeah, you gotta clean that thing.
Yeah, I do. I let it. All right. These cups, I've used them probably 100 times.
Yeah, I love these
100,000 times. Are amazing.
Another little carrying case here. What's the carrying case you're wondering for? For your whiskey stones.
That's right. These right here are the bigger ones. But hold on. What we're gonna do?
Are
here,
they? I think they're the same size.
Well, there's 2 different ones. There's smaller ones.
Oh, that's right.
The shot glasses.
Yeah, that's right.
This box is amazing. Now hold on.
That's a nice big box.
I want to show them something real quick.
What are you gonna show me?
We're gonna just go through real quick because we didn't know what this was gonna be. So being that it is the whiskey stones, let's pull out. We don't have all the cups because some of the cups are sitting around. We haven't
Dirty.
washed them, but we have.
That's nice. That is really nice.
All right, so let's just. Here's the stone for that. Here's the stone
it's
for
darker.
that. A little bit
Well, it
darker.
might be because we used it a bunch.
And here's like the little shot glasses. These things are nice. They don't come along with it, but
These are from a different set, but still Brotec.
hold up. I want to see if there are bigger or smaller.
Well, there's the twisted one. Oh, the other 2 sets are over there.
All right, they're dirty.
They're dirty.
All right, maybe they're all the same size.
Yeah, they're all the same
That's the
size.
darker one.
But I think they're darker because we use them so much.
Yeah, you might be right.
So you can see the difference.
Wow.
Difference between the new ones.
I could have swore there were big and small stones.
Yeah.
All right, that was a lie, ladies and gentlemen.
You can tell which ones we use the most.
All right, so, bam, you get whiskey stones that go inside. And let me tell you something. Those things are freaking amazing.
Yeah,
we
they
don't
are
even
nice.
use ice cubes
They're
no
nice.
more. We just put those things in the freezer a little bit before, pop them in our cup. They keep that stuff cold for a while.
And you don't want to use ice. You want to use these. And the reason is, first and foremost, is because ice is going to water down your drink. If you're watering it down, why you even bother drinking?
Yeah, might as well go drink some
Anything.
yeah.
Sprite. But this year,
That's amazing.
I am tickled by
That's
this.
something you could put a very expensive whiskey of
Yeah.
your choice in there.
Yeah.
Put it up on the mantle. Put it in your office or something.
That's no bottom shelfer there. That's
No.
that's top shelf only.
That is. I mean, it might be.
Can't
You don't want
believe
to put it up too high. That's even keep under here.
Yeah.
You know, pull it
Special
out.
occasions.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes you got to whip it out
Now, that's
for the
true.
special occasions.
That's true. It's very true. Now, Brotec, see, we want to thank you very much for sending us this stuff.
Oh,
Because
most definitely.
not only are you helping us show our fans and, you know, these classy MFers, if you will,
Yeah.
some cool stuff that they can get, especially with the holidays coming up. But it also helps us step up our man game, right? This is basically our man cave right here.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
get away from the women and stuff. Come in here.
I just keep thinking about getting killed with this in my sleep.
Yeah, that would be.
I don't know why.
Pretty well. That's another reason no women are allowed in here unless.
But I tell you, I really like these.
Yeah, I
think
really
these
like
are
those.
really nice.
These are the
Nice
things you kind
accent.
of forget about, but they are like a very cool thing.
Yeah, these are really, really cool.
Because you got, you know, first off, you got the box.
They look classy. There's something
Now, let me say
classy
something.
about it.
Now, if I gave my pa this for Christmas, he would look at me and he would go, "I love you, man.
He probably would.
I'm proud that I
That'd be
raised
the
you."
only time in his life he's ever said it.
Exactly.
He probably would.
That time I was gonna off you. I'm glad I didn't because you grew up to be a gentleman.
Well, and he found out you weren't going to get the insurance money.
Well, that's true. A girl comes in your house. She's like, "Wow, look at that guy.
Precision fit too.
Look at that guy, and he's a man right there."
I'm willing to bet if you turned this upside down, it wouldn't leak.
We might have to test that out.
Probably not with water.
Yeah, it's probably something you don't even want to try. Let me see here. All right, that's not even.
So-
There's what I want to say is there's no plastic and stuff,
No,
right?
there's no rubber around it.
So you're
That's what I was thinking. Maybe there'd be a piece of rubber on there or something, but no.
Yeah, there's not. So your seal is glass
Glass
on
on
glass. There's no bullshit getting in there, getting bullshit chemicals inside your whiskey. They take all this time to strain the whiskey out and get all this bullshit out of it, and then you're putting plastic in there to let it melt.
You know what would make that look really nice?
Not them, though.
If you had a light in your table and you set this on top of the light so that the light would shine up through it,
that would look freaking amazing, man.
That'd be nice.
Put your best scotch in there. That's what I'd put in there, some scotch.
Use my, what's that called? Flashlight thingy.
We're gonna have to figure out what we're gonna put in here.
Something like that.
Yeah, you got a different color on there?
No, but look how cool that looks. That looks really cool.
And if you had like blue or something, or whatever. Yeah. Whatever your favorite color is.
Yeah, that's pretty neat. I like it.
Wow, so this right here is amazing. Well, it didn't even look how much, well, we didn't know what
Well, we didn't know. I don't remember seeing it on their site.
So, if it's on the site,
exclusive.
We'll try to figure out how much it's going to be. Try to put we'll definitely put the link and stuff down below.
It doesn't matter how much it is, just go buy it.
Yeah.
I mean,
you buy this for a person in your life, they're going to really appreciate you.
Yeah, if it's up, then you need to buy this right now for Christmas.
Exactly.
And if it's up, we'll put a link down below so you can go get it. Actually, we'll just put the link down to their store anyway so you can go get anything.
Yeah, exactly. I'm telling you, these are good gifts for a man in your life. Whether it's your dad.
And these are really, really good quality. Really good.
Best friend.
Man.
Man.
I still like this one. It's just, it feels good in the hand.
No, I agree with you.
I like it.
And it just looks like this whole thing is kind of like a tornado. That's what it reminds me of. Yeah. A tornado spinning around, wrapping you up in its charm. And it's wet.
And you're getting twisted when you drink it.
Exactly. Depending on what you put in there. Hey, you could put Kool-Aid in there.
Let's head to the liquor store and see if we can't find something deserving to go in there.
Black Label.
Brotec, thank you much.
Yeah,
we'll see you later.
Oh, jeez.